My Zoom talks to me now. It tells me that it's recording. It says you're recording in progress. It kind of creeps me out a little bit. But anyway, I am, I'm sorry, Bree, I'm just now seeing your chat. Bree, I am doing well. I'm so glad that you asked. So, like I said, I hope everyone had a great weekend and I hope everyone survived their first week of school, and I'm glad to see everyone back. It is so nice to see like such a big group of people in our class. I love it. Um, so, there have been a few people that have turned in their collaboration assignment. Some of you have sent me some emails and some questions and things like that. So, so one of the big questions I have gotten is about collaboration 2. We are not doing collaboration 2. I've actually taken it out. So you guys should not even see that anymore. So when you open that up, it should be gone. So hopefully that is not there for you anymore. So if you all do see that, please let me know. But it should be gone. So when you open up collaboration, it should just be the collaboration 1 that should be there. But anyway, so we're going to take a look at segment 1 again, just so that you guys we can kind of review for a minute. Obviously, mine is not going to look like yours. Let's see here. I'm trying to stretch out so I can see everybody. Don't forget to everybody turn their cameras on. You got to have your camera on so I know that you're actually there. Got to be able to see that smiling face of yours. Okay, so obviously, of course, yours will not look like mine, but everyone can see my screen. Okay.
Yes.
Thank you. Oh, that's not where I want to go. Okay, so collaboration template and the collaboration rubric. So the idea was to use the collaboration rubric to complete the collaboration template. You were supposed to work with a partner in class, and several of you wanted to pick a partner, and some of you wanted to be assigned a partner. I did assign you all some partners, those of you who asked to be assigned. Otherwise, some of you picked your own partners. If you are struggling with your partner, which I think I've gotten one email about that, then please let me know. I also need to know who that partner is. If you don't tell me who that partner is, I can't really do anything about it. But I do need to know who that partner is that you're struggling with so that I can take care of the situation. But for the collaboration template, for the collaboration piece of it, you are working with a partner and you are selecting one of these challenges, just one. You're not doing all 3. You're doing one of the challenges. All right. And you put on here which one which one you chose, and then our completion date is this Thursday. Okay, because you've had a week to do it, that according to when we talked about it last time. So you all are splitting up the work. All right, not everyone's doing all the work at once. Okay, one of you is going to research some of this information here. You're going to provide description, where you got the information and who did it. Okay, guys, I'm not asking for this to be like massively detailed. Okay, this is just showing me that you went in and looked at this information and were able to find information on these things. Okay, that way I know that you know what these things are and who these people are and what kind of jobs these people do. Okay, does that make sense? Okay, I'm not looking for super detailed information. I'm just looking for information to show me that you know what they are, you know what they do, kind of the basic differences between some of the jobs, and that's it. I'm not looking for an essay on each one. Okay, maybe like a small paragraph on each one. That's it. Okay, sorry, I have a fly in my room, and so if you see me, yeah, anyway. Okay, cool. Any questions on that part of it? Good. All right. All right. So, so next, discuss with your partner which job. You've got to talk to your partner. You have to talk to each other. Yes, you guys can kind of split up the work here, but you have to talk to your partner. If you do a piece of it and your partner doesn't do the other piece of it, okay, go ahead and turn in your piece of it. Okay. If your partner, like if you guys are sharing a Google Doc or something and your partner doesn't turn it all in, then, and you're done and you're worried about turning it in on time, turn it in and say, I'm turning in my part. My partner isn't done. Okay. And we'll all grade it that way, I guess. Discuss with your partner what job title would be best to solve your challenge. You and your partner will work together to fill out the qualifications and explain how this job solves your challenge. Okay, so guys, if you have agreed to partner with someone, please don't let your partner down. I cannot stress this to you enough. Do not let someone down who you have agreed to be a partner to. That's part of the collaboration piece of this. All right. That's part of doing this as a team. Okay. Don't let someone else down. Spend 30 minutes, if that's all you have, spend 30 minutes, maybe twice, talking about this. Okay. That's all it would take. It's not that much time, and it's not asking a whole lot for you to spend to try to work together to get this done. Okay. Sorry, fly in my face. All right, cool. Just try to make the effort. Try to manage your time enough. Like our time together, technically, and I don't know how many people have classes after this, but our time, this is like, you've got time after this that you could get together maybe, or you got time later on that you can get together, like kind of like homework or something like that. So schedule a time. If I can find someone who doesn't have a partner. And also, if you miss a class, you are responsible for watching the video to find out what you need to do. I will post a video on Classroom. And if you miss a class, you are responsible for watching the video to find out what you need to do and what you need to make up. Okay. So there might be assignments that you need to be aware of, or things that you need to do before the next class period. So make sure that if you are missing a Zoom session, that you are watching the video before the next class. Okay, that is your responsibility as a virtual student, because we are virtual. It's kind of hard to with I know that other people have conflicts and things like that, so you are responsible for watching the video. Okay, thank you for letting me know that. I will take care of that as well. So is that person here today? Okay. I don't know if they're in the class anymore, so we will figure that out too. Okay. So, anyway, if you're having issues with partners, just hang on. I got people messaging me right now about that. Let's go through this and then let's say, so everyone's on the same page. All right. So like I said, guys, just work together and just spend 30 minutes working together. This is not a difficult project if you guys just spend a few minutes working together. You would save and print this by clicking here. And you can download this to your drive. Okay. It would not go to my drive because I don't have a Chromebook. So you can also create this template. Let's see. Hang on a second. And what is it you said? What's it type? Let me see. It won't let you save it to your drive. It won't let, so what is it, when you save and print, what does it do? You can unmute and talk. You don't have to just keep chatting. You can unmute and talk. When you save and print, what does it do?
It adds you to it adds a folder to the bottom of your computer screen. But what I did is I copy and pasted the whole page and then I pasted it into the little submission box where it says add your work.
You were able to type into it by doing that?
Mm-hmm. So once I copy and pasted the whole page, I just was able to type it.
But how are you able to share it with your partner?
That's a good point.
Yeah, so it needs to be in Google Drive somehow. So, okay, so that's a new one for me. Okay, so let me see something. Well, let me stop sharing so you can just stop seeing me mess with my screen. Let me try something. Let me see. I'm just gonna play around for a minute and let's see what happens. Let's see. Okay, it does open up in a Word document for me, so let's see what happens here. Okay, now. Why? Let's see if I can save this. Let's see if I can help y'all out. Okay, now. Uh-oh, who'd we lose? Somebody logged off. Uh-oh. Okay, so try this. Let me, hang on. Oh, I'm trying to fix it here. August 20. Go to Google Classroom. Go to our classroom in Google. Go to our Google Classroom. And let me know if your template comes up. I put the collaboration. I was able to download it, upload it to my drive, and I was able to put a template that actually works for you guys to hopefully, for you to type in. And it should look like this. Does it look like this? Anybody? Anyone?
It works.
It works? It works? Yay! Yay! Okay, so I will try to, if we have more templates, that's new to me. Sorry, guys. That was something that I didn't know about, so I apologize. So you're not in my classroom, Joaquin? Okay. I will put my classroom code. Actually here. There's my classroom code right there. Go for it. Get it, kiddo. You got it? Do you see it?
I see it. I'm typing it in.
Okay. So, all right, fantastic. So that works. All right, good deal. So use this. Don't turn it in here. Turn it in on, try to attach it to the submission on the, the collaboration. Attach it here. Well, hopefully it will let you attach it. Does it let you? Yes, you should be able to upload. Can you upload? Okay, so attach it here because I'm not a student, so I have to be enrolled as a student in order to be able to do that. But so attach it here and then cool deal. And then, but work together, share it with each other, share it with your partner, and make sure that you guys are working together. Okay. All right, cool. Everybody's kind of got that now. All right. All right. So let's see. Colby, are you in my classroom now? Joaquin and Colby, are you in my classroom now?
I still need.
I just had the code up. Did you not get it?
My computer glitched.
All right. Hang on.
I got it.
Okay, thank you. All right. Cody, are you seeing it? Colby, are you seeing it?
Okay,
Colby, sorry.
I'm typing it in.
Okay.
Got it.
All right, cool. All right, everybody else good? Everybody else good? Yes? Okay. So, for those of you, I haven't looked at the ones that are turned in, but the ones that got turned in pretty darn quick. Like within less than 24 hours. If I were you, I might go back and maybe relook at those. I don't know. I haven't looked at them yet, but I would just double check, make sure you are following that rubric, because I'm telling you, I'm going to go by the rubric. I'm grading you off of that rubric, and that's how I'm going to process the grades in the system. So when you're graded, that's what I'm going to be pulling from. Okay. So make sure that when, sorry, I'm going to go back to sharing my screen again. Why is it being difficult? So when you're finishing this, you need to make sure that you have followed this, because this is where you're gonna be. This is what I'm gonna be pulling from. So if you've turned it in, would highly suggest that maybe you should go back and just double check yourself. Just saying. I also need to, you need to make sure that I know who your partner is. Okay. All right. That's why we've been going through it. Joaquin, you need to go back and look at the video that we did last time. Joaquin,
Okay, but I'm also still kind of sort of used to using Google Classroom.
okay, well, you're gonna have to get used to using this one because this is the program that we're using. Okay,
Oh,
okay. All right. So any questions on the collaboration one? Anyone, any questions on segment one for collaborate? Any more questions? I tried to answer all the ones that I got emails about.
No questions here.
Okay, awesome. If you don't have a partner, please let me know. And I will figure out a way to get you one. Okay, so next thing, oh wait, oh, hang on. Okay, I'm going to put Madison. I'm just going to tell you right now, Madison and Bree, Madison Beamer and Bree Alexander, you guys are partners. Okay, you guys will get along just fine. And if you don't, I'll take care of it. I know both of you all very, very well. I'm just giving you girls a hard time just because I can. All right. So, all right, the two of you are taken care of. Kara, you don't want to partner with your sister, with Jessica? I figured you would want to partner with Jessica. You're in the same house already. So Jessica says yes. Jessica says yes. So you and Kara get to work, you and Jessica get to work together. So we'll put you two together just to make it easy. Okay. All right. Anyway, now let's get back to it. Okay, so they were just saying that, sure. It'll be okay, Kara, I promise. Okay, so moving on, if you are done with the collaboration piece, and if you think you're ready, let's talk a little bit about programming. All right, let's talk a little bit about foundations of programming and what that means. Okay, so computer programming. Computer programming is coding. All right, you are learning how to code. You are learning how to make computers do things. You are telling computers to work. All right, you are making them do, making them talk, basically, making them move, making them work, making them do all kinds of things that you want them to do. Okay. And you do this through lines of code. All right. And if you're following along in your buzz and in your stuff, you'll notice that you have your words here that you can hover over, which I highly suggest if you have paper and pencil handy, which I cannot stress to you enough, even though we are doing computer-based learning, paper and pencil, you still need to have. All of these vocabulary words you need to write down, okay? You need to know what they are and what they mean, what programmers are and things like that, okay? So basically a programmer is what you are going to learn how to be, okay? You're going to learn how to write lines of code, All right, you're going to learn how to do that. So, so you're going to learn how to write instructions for a computer. So, so programmers write millions of lines of code. All right. And those are instructions for a computer program. Okay. To an outsider, it probably looks like a jumble of letters, numbers, and symbols, but to a programmer, code looks like a way to change the world. For programmers, this responsibility is pretty huge, but the payoff is amazing. If you have the power to change the world, then you get to decide what the future will be. All right, so here are some of your objectives for this particular unit, okay? What I would like for you to do from this point is I want you to go ahead and in our next class, and we've kind of already used our time, go through this first 7 pieces here, okay? This is just lesson 1. Go through lesson 1. Okay. You should be able to get through lesson 1 by our next class. All right. Yes. Yes. Lesson 1. Okay. And you'll play with, there's a very little bit of code that you'll play with in here a little bit. You'll see, so like right here, you'll see a little bit of code for you to kind of look through and take a look at. I don't want to keep you all too long because you may have another class to get to. But try to, before you hit run, try to see if you can guess what's going to happen. Okay. Before you hit run, just take a guess, see what you think. And try to make a prediction. But I do want you to try to go through this lesson 1. And then we'll kind of review it for Thursday when we come back together. Okay, sound like a plan? Sound like a plan? Plan, Stan? All right,
Yes.
all right, and then your collaboration piece is due on Thursday. Okay, your collaboration piece is due on Thursday. All right. Everybody, any questions? Addison, if you're still here, just hang on for a second before you go. Anyone else have any questions? All right, y'all. I'm going to go ahead and let you go. You guys have your homework and you know what you're supposed to be doing. So if you have any questions throughout the week or between today and tomorrow, I will answer them as quickly as possible. Again, please realize I have classes here as well. So I try to answer things as fast as I possibly can. But I hope you all have a great day and a great afternoon. I will see you all on Thursday. Okay. Bye.